Hello everyone. So, welcome to a very important class. Simran is very excited and we have a lot of details here. Let's start with a short survey as to I would like to know how much I'm going to open the LMS screen here, and I would like to know how much you have covered till now on your LMSs. All those who have recently joined the class, like I think we have Divya here. Then Pradyuman has recently joined. Priyanshi is a recent entrant, and so is Hridesh, right? So from all of you also, otherwise also, I'd just like to take, before I begin my class, I would just generally like to take an overview or a survey of ये जो इतना सारा content आपको अब मिल गया है, इसमें से अभी तक आपने कितना cover किया है, how much of it have you done in terms of content only, and what is the general strategy that you guys are following so far as covering LMS is concerned. And again, let's start this class on the note of a story that mostly we do otherwise also. So let me tell you why this exercise is extremely important. I have almost in every session, I have emphasized upon the fact that it is very important that you read little, but you read it very, very thoroughly, and you make notes of it or whatever you do, but you do it very thoroughly. It absolutely does not matter that you have to cover each and everything, but whatever you cover, you should be so thorough with it that you should just know it inside out and you can write an answer on it. In your judiciary exams also, a lot of times it will so happen that probably you're not able to complete the paper, or if you're able to complete the paper also, you might be losing from a couple of marks. All these things only happen because you don't know the right techniques as to how you have to go about clearing the exam and covering these finer nuances. क्योंकि अब material आपके पास इतना already है. After we have already started with the current affair exercises, our next step after introducing mocks and your daily answer writing challenges is going to be to introduce Hindi language module also, just like you can see an English language module here. So at our end, we are very determined that we are not going to leave any stone unturned in terms of giving you the content that you should get so far as preparation for your exam is concerned. ये जितने भी notes आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं, every 3 months they are supposed to, as per LawSikho's policy with respect to all its courses, every 3 months they are supposed to go through an update. This is the first phase of these notes as per your suggestions, as per your feedbacks, which are timely asked. We are going to even improve upon these notes and we are going to make changes at our end also. After all of this, what we do intend to introduce apart from these are probably more pre-recorded content, whereby a lot of times it so happens that a lot of you have given us this feedback that you can't be staring on your laptop at all times. And trust me friends, this happens to me also. There are times when I would just keep my laptop and my phone probably miles away from me that I cannot take a look at it. My eyes are so badly strained. So we all empathize with you at that it's absolutely not possible to study on a virtual mode all the time. In that sense, we have been contemplating of bringing in more pre-recorded content so that you can just listen to very pinpointed content and you could probably just revise it simultaneously whenever you don't want to look at your screens. That's one. And second is probably we could give you notes in terms of flashcards, where you just have very, very important information, or revision notes for that matter, where you have very important information which you could revise right before your exam. But nothing of this absolutely is going to be a substitute for your own effort that's going to go, or your own customized sort of content that you can probably create so far as your preparation is concerned. For instance, if you ask me, if I have to learn a certain thing, if I have to literally wrote a certain thing also for that matter, my first thing is always to break it into pieces as much as possible, because that helps me build a lot of understanding in a particular, so far as a particular concept is concerned. And the same thing I do with these classes that I take for you guys as well. कुछ भी ऐसा होता है, कोई भी section हम पहले लेते हैं, कोई भी article हम लेते हैं constitution का, we would always break it into different parts so that we have a basic conceptual understanding. But just breaking it, is that a guarantee so far as you remembering that concept is also concerned? Not necessarily, unless you reiterate that concept 3 times, 4, a lot of times for that matter. We can't say that you'll be thorough with that particular concept so far as cracking your exam is concerned. So through this entire material that is there on this LMS, we have to devise various strategies where we could go about sort of ensuring that ना सिर्फ ये कंटेंट आपको जो देखने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, यू फीलिंग वेरी सिक्योर कि जो 50,000 मैंने दिए थे उसका कुछ तो यहाँ पर आ गया है. It should not be just that, it should be much more than that as to how much of this content you are inculcating in your preparation as well. So for those who have just started this class, I will give you a brief overview of the LMS before we start with that survey of knowing how much you have covered till now. Based on today's survey, we'll come upon a decision of when we are going to start with our daily answer writing challenges and our mocks. Again, to assure you guys, at our end, we are ready with the content to launch it, but we don't want to sort of throw content on you which you are not able to cover. We don't want to put you in a position of pressure. At LawSeco, not only at our teams, we sort of move by a concept of ownership where whosoever is doing what, they are responsible for it. But this is something we would like to take with our students also. So जैसा भी आप हमें बोलेंगे, हम उसी के accordingly ideally चलना चाहते हैं based on the consensus of everyone. Also, there is a good news. We are now in a position to print material and send it to you in the form of hard copies because the lockdown is almost over. We are in unlock 1.0 now. So, but as you guys were already informed, this printing cost was not originally included in your course cost. तो जितने भी लोगों को प्रिंटेड मटेरियल चाहिए इस क्लास के बाद ग्रुप पे साइन अप कर दीजिए, अपना नाम दे दीजिए एक लिस्ट के अंदर. हम उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको जितना भी प्रिंट कॉस्ट होगा, वी विल नॉट अर्न एनी प्रॉफिट्स आउट ऑफ इट, जितना भी प्रिंट कॉस्ट होगा उस पे हम आपको प्रिंट करके आपके रिस्पेक्टिव एड्रेसेस पे जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है उतनी जल्दी ये नोट्स भेज देंगे. आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू अ फिक्स्ड टाइमलाइन बिकॉज इट हैज टू बी डिसाइडेड, बट as a part of a team, we are all on consensus that hard copies should be given to you as soon as possible. ये hard copies सिर्फ notes की होंगी, obviously videos की नहीं हो सकती हैं and quizzes की भी नहीं हो सकती हैं because they are in interactive format. तो ये जितने भी notes हैं यहाँ पर उनकी hard copies आपको available करवा दी जाएंगी. Okay, coming back to my story. So, okay, so let me tell you something more about yourself before knowing more about yourself. Oh no, but before that I forgot. जो लोग यहाँ पर नए हैं उनके लिए एक बार LMS को हम navigate कर लेते हैं. I hope all of you have logged into your respective LMSs. For the people who have just joined in, is Pradyuman there? Hirdesh, it's for you also. It's your relatively latest class. And a couple of you are new here, right? Divya is, I think she's not attending classes.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, Divya is here. So your LMS is front of you, at least my LMS is right here. You see that there's an overview. इसके अंदर ideally हमारे landing page की description होनी चाहिए थी, but नहीं है. It's okay. Then there is a syllabus जिसके अंदर आपको जितने भी notes अब तक जा चुके हैं वो मिलेंगे. सबसे पहले आप देखोगे आपको यहाँ पर आपकी बेयर एक्ट रिपोजिटरी मिलेंगी. इसके अंदर हमने सब कोर लॉज डाल दी हैं. We are going to put in the local laws of various judiciaries as well, and we're going to, this is an ongoing process. Your LMS is updated on a daily basis. So if you're thinking that whatever content is there right now is that that is about it, that's not the case. परसों आपने देखा होगा आपके LMS में 615 फाइल्स थी. आज आप देखोगे तो there are around 744 files. So it's updated on a daily basis. Please make sure of that. Your first module is a Bear Act repository where you will get all the important, at least all the Bear Acts of the core subjects right in front of you. So sometimes because of lockdown or otherwise, if you're not able to access your Bear Acts, you could always refer to this particular source material, right? After your Bear Acts, there is something called Insights from Experts. These are essentially free content that we have created via our webinars and otherwise people who have come and spoken at our platform. This is not very relevant for you क्योंकि ये insights आपको मिलती रहती हैं course के अंदर. Either I would tell you or Abhijay sir would tell you, and the best person to speak about all of this would be Harsh Jain, who is our co-founder also, because he's cracked so many competitive exams that I don't think anyone can give you better insights than him. So ये चीजें आपको, this insights on experts is one thing that you're literally getting on a platter. So this is just like one of those days when you're feeling very demotivated and you feel like taking a break and you want to kickstart your preparation. This is only for that. Otherwise, there's absolutely no use of referring to this particular course content. This is mostly made for our audience in general. It's more of a our YouTube channel content. We don't intend to sort of promote this so far as this particular paid course is concerned, because इसमें जितनी भी strategies हैं वो हम आपके साथ course के through otherwise भी share करते हैं. Next is a module on international law. Now for Delhi Judicial Services, international law is a part of the syllabus. Now you will see that there are around more than 20 notes and pre-recorded videos. A part of our team who is attending these classes also has recorded these videos, and she's done a brilliant job on it. उन्हें ये review process के through निकली हैं ये सारी videos, और उसको cover करते हुए हमने videos और notes को simultaneously यहाँ पर डाला है. Then after international law, which has both content as well as pre-recorded videos, we come to civil procedure code. Now civil procedure code unfortunately is still in a very haphazard manner, though our operations team has been told that it needs to be rectified. It will be soon, but अगर आप अपनी classes का ही format देखते हुए चलते हैं तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि chronologically क्या order follow करना है CPC के lessons को follow करते हुए. Now see, Abhijay sir in his classes, he gives you a lot of examples, a lot of illustrations. He would discuss a topic in a very holistic manner. One thing is that you understand the topic in its entirety the way it is. But second thing is that tomorrow if you're given a question to write an answer upon, just based on that class, will you be able to do so? We are not very sure of it. So इसलिए थोड़ा spoon feed which has been given to you in the form of these notes as well as the pre-recorded sessions. So far as the notes are concerned, कई नोट्स में आप देखेंगे कि आपको लैंडमार्क केस लॉ भी मिलेगा, आपको फ्लो चार्ट भी मिलेगा, और कई नोट्स ऐसे हैं सीपीसी के अंदर जैसे रूल्स अंडर सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड, प्लीडिंग्स अंडर सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड. ये अभी सारे आए नहीं हैं, अपलोड नहीं हुए हैं, बट आई मीन दे आर इन प्रोसेस. दे हैव बीन गिवन टू द ऑपरेशंस टीम टू गेट देम अपलोडेड एज सून एज पॉसिबल. तो उन नोट्स में आप देखेंगे कि लिटरली नथिंग हैज बीन डन. A section of the Bear Act has been given, and again that Bear Act section has been divided and explained. That's about it. It stops there, and that is the only thing that you're supposed to do. इससे ज्यादा आपको जुडिशरी के लिए बिल्कुल भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, और वहां पे मेरी स्टोरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है, तो मैं बताऊंगी ऐसा क्यों. बट अब अगर हम इन नोट्स को भी खोलते हैं, फॉर इंस्टेंस लेट मी ओपन दिस नोट ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ केसेस. Okay, that was a quiz, sorry. I'll come to the quizzes also. One second. Let me just show you a sample note. Some of you must have opened it till now and understood what I'm trying to say. Let me open the note on suits of civil nature, but I would still like to give you the uniform pattern, or tell you about the uniform pattern that we follow across all our notes. So this note starts with a very basic introduction of what section 9 is, right? So scheme of the article तो एक basic सा आपको पता चल गया कि contents क्या हैं इस article के. But apart from that, it will give you a very basic introduction of the note itself. जितने भी cases हैं across all notes वो highlighted होंगे purple में. जितने भी Bear Act के sections हैं वो highlighted होंगे blue में. जितने भी बेयर एक्ट के सेक्शंस के इंपॉर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स हैं, एंड दिस इज नॉट जस्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड, दिस इज यूनिफॉर्म अक्रॉस ऑल नोट्स ऑन द एलएमएस, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी अर्ज यू कि आप प्लीज इन एलएमएस के नोट्स को ही पढ़िए. देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग टू अदर सोर्सेस. आई विल टेल यू द रीजन फॉर इट ऑल्सो, बट आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अ ब्रीफ आउटलाइन ऑफ द नोट्स फर्स्ट. जितने भी ये बेयर एक्ट के सेक्शंस हैं वो सब आपको ब्लू में मिलेंगे, और उन बेयर एक्ट के सेक्शंस के जो इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं वो आपको रेड में हाईलाइटेड मिलेंगे, राइट? उसके बाद अगेन वट एवर थ्योरी इज इंपॉर्टेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अ सूट ऑफ अ सिविल नेचर. फॉर इंस्टेंस बहुत बार एग्जाम्स में आपको कुछ इंस्टेंसेस दे दिए जाएंगे या कुछ ऑफिसेस बता दिए जाएंगे और पूछा जाएगा कि ये सूट ऑफ अ सिविल नेचर है कि नहीं है, तो एक इलस्ट्रेटिव लिस्ट आपको वहां पर मिल जाएगी. And again, these flowcharts we are very familiar with thanks to our contracts classes. तो हर नोट के अंदर आपको ऐसे फ्लो चार्ट्स मिलेंगे जो आपको एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन को डिवाइड एंड लर्न करना अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, या फिर they will act as revision notes also. For instance, when you're going through these particular notes, you will at least know about the important provisions of the suit of a civil nature that you definitely have to emphasize upon, right? So after the flow charts, you will see that whatever landmark cases have to be covered with respect to that particular section, such as Bal Mukund Berwa and other case laws also, वो सब आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे. So this is a pattern, and most of the notes would end with a sample question, a few sample exercises as well. Most of the notes, not all of them, but most of them. So see, a note that has been put on the LMS is very holistic if you want to put in that amount of effort and you want to fasten your pace with respect to the other students. I think Mahim had raised an issue with respect to a particular note on investigation under CRPC. Mahim, just to sort of resolve your doubt there, I had a word with the concerned person who had created that particular note, and it's just that that note was of a preliminary nature. वो सिर्फ उसको उस टॉपिक को टच करने के लिए था, उसके ऊपर एक डिटेल नोट आ गया है LMS पे. तो अगर आप CRPC में जो नोट्स एडेड हैं उन्हें देखोगे तो आपका जो वो पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक है वो होलिस्टिकली वहां पे कवर्ड है. Okay. Now, so this was a pattern of the notes that are there, and this is uniformly there across all notes. ये एक पैटर्न है. आपके बेयर एक्ट के सेक्शंस ब्लू में, आपकी लैंडमार्क केस लॉज पर्पल में, बेयर एक्ट के इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शंस को जो हाईलाइटेड टर्म्स हैं वो रेड में, और उसके अलावा जो इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस अदरवाइज हैं वो ग्रीन में. ये आपको हर नोट में यूनिफॉर्मली मिलेगा. एंड देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई दिस हैज हैपेंड. वन सेकंड, देयर इज अ चैट. सो there's a reason why this is so, right? अगर आप 10 नोट्स ऐसे पढ़ते हैं जिसके अंदर आपको ये कलर स्कीम दिखेगी, आपका माइंड 11th नोट पे आके अकस्टम्ड हो जाएगा इस प्रैक्टिस से. यू विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस कंटेंट. जैसे ही कुछ पर्पल आएगा, आपका माइंड उसे रजिस्टर करना शुरू कर देगा. दिस इज जस्ट अ टेक्निक ऑफ चार्जिंग योर फोटोग्राफिक मेमोरी. अ लॉट ऑफ अस वर्क लाइक दिस. जैसे आप लोग हाइलाइटर्स लाते हो अपने एग्जाम्स में पढ़ाई करने के लिए, तो कुछ चीजें आप ग्रीन से हाईलाइट करोगे, कुछ पिंक से, कुछ येलो से. There's a reason why you do that, right? Because the moment you see something highlighted, your mind immediately realizes that this is important and you need to throw your attention towards it or give your attention towards it. तो वो चीज हमने अपने नोट्स के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली इनकलकेट की है कि ये पिंक, पर्पल, ग्रीन जो भी है, ये जैसे ही आप थोड़े नोट्स में आप फ्रीक्वेंटली पढ़ना शुरू करोगे, आप रियलाइज करोगे कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपका माइंड अपने आप उसे कैच करना शुरू कर देगा. दिस इज लर्निंग बाय कीवर्ड्स, and this is there through across all the notes on the LMS. And this is a particular pattern that we have been following. I gave you an example of the CPC, but it's there otherwise also. Now, we started with covering all the core laws. Our family law notes as of now are going through a review process. The moment they are ready, they would be on the LMS. But family law के अलावा जितनी भी core laws हैं, वो already LMS पे हैं. तो आप ऑलरेडी उन नोट्स को पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए. आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के नोट्स, आईपीसी के नोट्स, सीपीसी के तो खैर मैंने बनाए, बट बाकी जितने भी नोट्स हैं, बहुत जो थैंक्स टू द लॉकडाउन पीरियड, a lot of people were looking for work at that point of time, and we got some really good content creators for this. And this every note passes through at least 3 cycles of review. उससे पहले हम उसे अपलोड नहीं करते हैं जब तक वो 3 लोगों के रिव्यू प्रोसेस से नहीं निकलता है. तो आई कैन डेफिनेटली अश्योर यू कि इसके अंदर जो कंटेंट आपको मिलेगा वो आपके जुडिशरी एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज्यादा सफिशिएंट है. कुछ कंटेंट इन नोट्स में ऐसा है जो उन लोगों ने क्रिएट किया है हुआ रैंकर्स इन जुडिशरी. सो आप इससे आगे पढ़ना चाहते हैं, दैट इज इंटायरली अप टू यू. बट जहां पर यहाँ पर जो ये है, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली मोर देन सफिशिएंट फॉर योर एग्जाम, एंड इट फॉलोज अ यूनिफॉर्म पैटर्न अक्रॉस ऑल नोट्स. Okay, so CPC is there, Arbitration and Conciliation Act mein. As of now, only the latest there's one note on latest amendments. Constitution and administrative law has been completed, and again the notes have been very well created. Contract law, I think a couple of notes are left, but we are again uploading them at the same time. आप ये भी देखेंगे कि हर नोट के साथ एक इंटरैक्टिव एक्सरसाइज हम जोड़ रहे हैं. We have started the process. CPC, IPC, contracts is ongoing. Apart from that, Juris is almost done. You will see that these assignments and quizzes are already over. So whenever you read a note, there's a chat again. There are sample questions at the end of the notes. In Juris notes, does it imply that Juris is asked only in preliminary examination? No, Soumya, Juris is not at all asked only in preliminary examination. But for Juris, we have only given MCQs in our this thing in the notes. तो शुरू में देखोगे आपको 2 MCQs मिलेंगे as sample questions. वो हमने मेंस के लिए नहीं उसमें डाले हैं. There's also a reason because of it. हमारा जो मेंस का बुक था वो ऑफिस में रह गया लॉकडाउन की वजह से. But we update the notes every 3 months. तो आपको ये sample questions eventually मिल जाएंगे. Right? Okay. Now, if you see, every note has a corresponding interactive quiz to it. So it helps you assess for, and you can take these quizzes as many times as possible. There's no limit on it, and that is why for a mock there will always be a limit. आप उसे एक बार ही दे पाएंगे and it will be done. But ये quizzes को आप जितनी बार देना चाहें आप दे सकते हो, strengthening your concepts as much as possible. So if I take the test here for a particular topic on the law of contracts, this is the first law of contracts topic. It will give you all questions which are there with respect to that particular topic. So for instance, how we go about this concept of creating this quizzes, I have already told you that we start with the past year papers. We make sure that all the questions of the past year papers are already there in the quizzes. Then we have interns who have created their own multiple choice questions. We pick up the good multiple choice questions from there and we add it there. Then the third person who is doing the final review sees if anything from the BEAR Act has been missed out and adds it there apart from the landmark case laws. So again, on every note, you will find a very comprehensive quiz. One is कि आपको एक book दे दी जाती है जिसके अंदर सारे quizzes जो हैं irrespective of being topic wise वहाँ पे listed हैं जिसे आप refer कर सकते हो. But this is not what we are following here. यहाँ पर आपको हर topic का एक quiz depending upon कितने exhaustive questions उस पर बन सकते हैं आपको मिलेगा, and you are supposed to keep doing it side by side. So don't think that कोई स्पून फीड करेगा आपको यहाँ पर आकर. सिर्फ मैं आपको इन क्लासेस में बता सकती हूँ कि ऐसा क्या करिए, ये करना आपको साइमल्टेनियसली खुद ही पड़ेगा. उसके अलावा कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने हमें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बारे में कंसर्न्स जताए थे. दैट इज द प्राइमरी रीजन एज टू व्हाई वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट दैट द क्लासेस आर इन अ बाइलिंगुअल नेचर एज मच एज पॉसिबल. और स्पेसिफिकली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की कंटेंट रिलेटेड और असाइनमेंट रिलेटेड वीडियोस हैं. डीजीएस एक ऐसा एग्जाम है जिसके अंदर इंग्लिश को बहुत ज्यादा टेस्ट किया जाता है. So we have started with very basic English and having assignments of very basic English. It starts from verb, adverb, tenses वगैरह सब कुछ यहाँ पर है. और ये आपका हो जाए, and then if you feel that you require more content on English, we'd be giving you the same. Apart from that, the same educator who has created these videos are creating daily vocabulary videos on our YouTube channel. So if you feel that you need to strengthen your English, please start doing the exercises that have been mentioned here after watching the videos, and simultaneously watch those daily vocabulary videos that are there on YouTube. If you guys would want, you could give your feedback. We could have those daily vocab videos here as well. But as of now, हमने इतना मतलब बहुत लोगों ने नहीं कहा इसके बारे में कि आप इंग्लिश मटेरियल को और एनहांस कीजिए, तो अभी हम इसको यहीं पर ही हम इंग्लिश वाले कंटेंट को और ज्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं कर रहे हैं अभी. Next are, of course, your class notes, which is everything that you guys submit in terms of case notes, in terms of, yes, Simran, I'll just take your question. In terms of case notes and whatever you have submitted till now, वो हम prefer करते हैं कि वो class notes में आ जाएं, ताकि अगर आप में से कोई refer करना चाहें उसको किसी भी point of time पे आप लोग कर सकें. हमारी eventual strategy यही रहेगी कि ये class notes जो हैं ये हम eventually case topics के अंदर जो subjects हैं उनके अंदर absorb कर देंगे, so that if anyone wants to read it while relating to a particular topic, they'll be able to do so. Then, of course, there are streetwise strategies. These are extremely important part of your preparation. If you're preparing for, again, let's say you're preparing for Delhi Judicial Services, तो आप इसके अंदर कोई भी year, कोई भी topic, कोई भी subject खोलते हैं. For instance, let's start with administrative law. It's not, the font is not the best, but हाँ, आपको यहाँ पे largely मिल जाएगा. तो आप देखोगे सिर्फ 2008 और फिर 2018 में administrative law के questions पूछे गए थे. So this gives you, these sheets give you a very clear idea of how much you are supposed to study or how much emphasis you are supposed to give with respect to a particular subject. For instance, this I think is on another topic. This is question based on latest exams, Arbitration and Conciliation Act. तो इससे आपको पता चल रहा है कि आर्बिट्रेशन और कंसीलिएशन एक्ट पे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं डीजेएस के अंदर वो ईयर वाइज बढ़ते ही चले जा रहे हैं. इट स्टार्टेड इन 2007, 2018 और 2019 में देखो कितने क्वेश्चंस आ गए हैं आर्बिट्रेशन एंड कंसीलिएशन एक्ट पे. ये आपको टॉपिक्स भी बताती हैं स्टेट वाइज एनालिसिस की कौन से वो टॉपिक्स हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो आई वुड से व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर प्रिपरेशन शुरू ही इन स्टेट वाइज एनालिसिस शीट से करो और देखो कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिन पे आपको बहुत स्पेसिफिक एम्फेसिस देने की जरूरत है. एंड व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग फ्रॉम योर एलएमएस आल्सो डोंट जस्ट गो अबाउट मैकेनिकली रीडिंग कि आज मैंने लॉ ऑफ टॉर्ट्स के सारे नोट्स पढ़ लिए, आज मैंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के नोट्स सारे पढ़ लिए. इट विल गिव यू अ सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट बट इट विल हैव वेरी लिमिटेड आउटपुट. सो एडवाइजेबल इज दैट यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एंड देन you move to your content. Okay. After the state-wise analysis, moving forward, I should quickly wrap this up. This class was supposed to be for you, but as usual, I am taking a lot of your speaking time. उसके बाद कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट पे एक वेबिनार था जो बहुत अच्छा था. वो हमने नहीं, these were landmark judgments. We got this inculcated here because we felt that as a content it was really good. Apart from that, I'd like to take your attention here. There's an essay topic for judiciary. We are building a module on essay content as well. But we realized that this particular webinar that took place on death penalty was brilliant. आज की आपकी जूरिस की जितनी भी डिस्कशन थी वो रेट्रीब्यूटिव थ्योरी, जो रिवेंज थ्योरी है जिसपे भी वो सब बेस था, आप देखते हो काफी हद तक वो डिस्कशन डेथ पेनल्टी के अराउंड सेंटर्ड थी. नाउ इफ देयर इज an expert who is giving his viewpoint on death penalty, trust me guys, इससे ज्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए. एक एजुकेटर है जो आपको एक इंटरैक्टिव सेशन में पूरी डिस्कशन दे रहा है, एक थ्योरी नोट है जिसे आप पढ़ सकते हैं और अपना एक बेसिक थ्योरेटिकल बेस बना सकते हैं, एंड फाइनली यू हैव द बेस्ट पर्सन स्पीकिंग अपॉन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. You absolutely should not feel the need of going beyond this. And now let me finish. And finally, these are the recorded sessions which have all your class recordings. As of now, we have got suggestions from a couple of you that we should absorb this in our course modules, in the subject modules itself. As soon as a particular subject is finished, that is what we'll do. We'll absorb it in the course subjects. तो जैसे जूरस खत्म होने वाला है, जैसे ही जूरस खत्म हो जाएगा, जितने भी जूरस के टॉपिक्स हैं रिकॉर्डिंग्स में वो सारे के सारे चले जाएंगे उसके अंदर, जूरस के मॉड्यूल के अंदर. ओके, नाउ I think I will cut down on my story today because we should be listening more from you. Let's have a small survey of what you guys have covered, and then for those who have joined recently, I will quickly tell you how you should start. Right? Okay, so let's go. I will go from the flow that is coming in my panel. So we'll start with Simran. Yes, Simran.
So, ma'am, the way I started is that I go back and I listen to every lecture again, and I make those notes. Like, because in class it's impossible to write each and every word. So
Okay.
I go and I make those notes, and then I read the note which is on the LMS, which is associated to that topic.
Okay.
So in a way, I have all the notes related to that one topic, my own notes as well as the ones that you provided.
Okay, so you have a cumulative hard copy notes for yourself, which you have created like a separate thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And in terms of assignments, like for the topics for which assignments have been provided, like for juris assignments have been provided. कुछ अभी देनी हमने शुरू की हैं, तो आप ये assignments भी simultaneously कर पा रहे हो या फिर?
These I haven't started yet, ma'am, because like say suppose I'm doing the 2 hours lecture, so I'm a little slow, so I take 4 hours to complete that entire lecture. Like I bring in my case laws, I note down everything. If I have a doubt, I read up also. So I take at least 4 hours to complete that one class. So if it's a 1 hour lecture, I take 2 hours to make my notes. So
and how prepared are you for us starting with weekly mocks if you haven't gone through the assignments as yet? Okay, not prepared as yet. And what about daily answer writing practices?
Ma'am, answer writing I can do because it doesn't really require me to be prepared for every topic.
Okay, like no, but when we are talking about answer writing, we don't want कि आप मतलब 10 sources से check करके फिर उस answer को लिखो या internet से copy paste कर दो. We want you to sort of think about it as an exercise where you're sitting for your final exam and then you're writing an answer.
Ma'am, that then also I think I'll be referring to my notes, the ones I've made in the LMS material, and then writing the answer.
Okay, so that means we need to go more planned about this. We can't just give you questions which you can just write answers and give us back, right?
I am not personally ready, like, to do
Okay.
something like that.
And if you have to give a timeline, what would that be?
Maybe after 2 months or 1 month.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Thanks, Simran. Any other doubt you wanted to clarify?
No, I think it'll be clarified by the end of the lecture only when everyone gives in time.
Okay, let's move on to Divya. Divya is a relatively recent entrant. Yes, Divya, would you like to tell us what you have covered till now and what, according to you, should be your strategy? So
Ma'am,
far.
actually, I'm already going through the pre-recorded classes because many of the classes have been missed. I have joined late.
Hmm.
So, right now, I'm going through the pre-recorded sessions. The major problem which I am facing right now is that there are about four core subjects running together.
Hmm, hmm,
So,
hmm.
when I'm watching a pre-recorded session, when I'm getting in a flow of one subject, the other subject starts, and I have to keep up with the classes as well. So, I have to actually mandatory revise the previous class as well. So that is the
Right.
problem which I am facing. I mean, I actually have to cover it up. So I will do it eventually, but right now I'm like really, really slow.
So, are you able to follow up what is happening in the classes or no?
Yes, I am able to follow with the classes like when there was this amendment class yesterday of Constitution. That I
Hmm.
couldn't follow because I haven't seen the previous lecture because I
Okay.
was busy with CPC and jurisprudence.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm.
problem because the core subjects are running all the core subjects are there, so it becomes a problem.
Okay. And what about the notes on the LMS? Have you started reading them?
Ma'am, I read it simultaneously when I'm taking the class, the pre-recorded sessions. I watch the session and then I read the notes, and
Hmm.
I try to accumulately write it in my own manner.
Right. Okay. So you are also creating your own personal set of notes. Okay.
Yes,
Th-
ma'am.
Thank you, Divya. Next, we have Sukriti.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I've allotted myself certain time slots to read the LMS. So,
Hmm.
what I do is in the morning I read my newspapers, and then
Hmm.
9 to 1 slot I have for other things that I have to do, all my work. Then from 2:30 to 4:30, 1.5 hours, I read the LMS for the classes that are to take place for the day,
Okay.
and then from 5 to 6:45 I read the LMS again, or I take a new quiz. And what I'm doing with the quizzes is that I take a new quiz every day, and the quiz
Hmm.
that I took yesterday I retake it once more so
Okay.
that I can revise it. And then we have the classes after that, 9:30 to 11 p.m. I read the LMS again, the bare acts, and
Hmm.
all that stuff. Even the static GK, I've started the videos. So what I basically do is I read around 4 to 5 LMS notes every day, and they are basically the subjects that we are being taught in the classes.
Hmm.
So yes, ma'am.
But
That's
are you creating some revision notes? How are you following up on the content that you're?
ma'am. The notes that I make in the class, I supplement those. Sometimes I watch the lecture again if I feel कि कुछ समझ नहीं आया मुझे. And
Hmm.
apart from that, when I read the GK, the current affairs, if I feel there's a certain topic that's relevant nowadays, especially with the constitution, it happens a lot. So I
Hmm.
read the note on that. So
Okay.
this is what I've been doing.
But you have been creating your own personal set of notes as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. For the classes, I'm making them.
बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स वट एवर सेड एंड डन आपको एक चीज को कितना भी ऑटोमेटेड फॉर्मेट में दे दें और कितना भी द रीजन एज टू वाई you will see that a lot of times the online courses are a trend nowadays, right? So for any competitive exam, for anything for that matter, you will get online courses on any subject. और अभी तो देखें तो almost thanks to the lockdown हर चीज के ऊपर when we thought of this idea of having an online course for judiciary, we were probably the pioneers in it. No one had thought about it, and it took us like 9 months to shape this entire course into process. But thanks to COVID, now every course is an online course because people realize that the feasibility of a brick and mortar structure has gone down to a very large extent. But when we provide for an online course, we are very much we emphasize very much on the fact that one thing is that we are providing you notes and content which you can read through and otherwise, But the truth of the fact is that you can, as I think once you guys were discussing on the WhatsApp group also, that you will get a lot of content everywhere. तो अगर आप जैसे मर्डर ऑन आईपीसी की अगर आप बात करें तो शायद आपको जो ये नोट लिखा गया है शायद आपको इससे भी बहुत बेटर नोट ऑनलाइन कहीं पे बहुत ज्यादा सर्च करने पे मिल जाए. देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट. एंड दैट्स द रीजन एज टू व्हाई वी हैव बीन making sure that we follow a uniform methodology so far as these notes are concerned and the classes are also concerned. What matters more is that apart from the content that has been given to you is how much can we help you in making sure that you, whatever you are reading or whatever you're listening in terms of these classes, you're able to absorb the same as well. And there's some hand holding definitely has to be done. So in my personal opinion, if as of now you have not been creating any handwritten revision notes for yourself, then it's not a very good idea, irrespective of whatever is there on the LMS. Because just think about it. This course as of now has 744 files. In future, it's going to have more than 1,000 files. If you think that right before 1 month before the exam, you're going to open a few content files, you're going to read it quickly and it's all going to happen, no, it's not. So it is very much advisable that please have some handwritten notes for yourself, which you're very much comfortable with. One, it will increase your writing practice a lot for your mains exam. And second, आपको कितना भी, अगेन द सेम थिंग, हम आपकी फोटोग्राफिक मेमोरी पे फोकस कर ले, हम आपके डिवाइड एंड लर्न पे फोकस कर ले, हम आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी वाली स्ट्रैटेजी पे फोकस कर ले, जब तक आपके पास एक ऐसा सेट ऑफ नोट्स नहीं होगा जिससे आप खुद comfortable नहीं हो, you'll always feel a hitch here. For instance, a few techniques that I personally follow is that I create flashcards for everything I study. And I told you, I think most of you, that me and my husband prepared for the UPSC exam together and he cleared than I did. But but one thing that I realized from this entire process was that flashcards are very, very helpful. So you have those big posters that come, or you have जो भी है, मतलब फ्लैश कार्ड्स तो आपको पता है ना, बेसिकली कुछ ऐसे नोट्स जो आप लास्ट मिनट पे रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. So please start creating. If you don't want to create full-fledged notes, that's perfectly fine, because we have already provided you these full-fledged notes. We don't want you to be working more than that, but start creating these flashcards. For my constitution classes, I'll give you a very important feedback here. मेरे 2012 के बने फ्लैश कार्ड्स मुझे आज तक इन क्लासेस लेने में काम आ रहे हैं. तो आप प्लीज, मतलब ये एक स्ट्रैटेजी है, इसे अपनी प्रेपरेशन का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट बनाइए. फ्लैश कार्ड्स को हम LMS में भी इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं. वी वांट टू गिव यू अ सर्टेन सेट ऑफ स्लाइड्स which you could probably towards the end just run through, and that will act as a revision for yourself. We will do that bit for you. We'll give you the form of flashcards which we feel are important for your exam. But still, your element of personalization is going to play a very important role in your preparation. Make sure you're not missing upon that, right? So, okay, the 3 feedbacks that I've got till now, at least I'm happy that you guys are making your own notes. Next we have is Swagata.
Ma'am, so I have started with like reading the newspaper every day since now I have the entire day to myself. And since I had already missed 30 lessons or so, I am watching those videos and the ones that are already being taught right now. So I'm simultaneously doing the ones that are previously recorded and the ones that are going on right now. Okay. So, and I'm planning to cover most of it within the next 2 months, because once college reopens, I'm not sure how much time I'll be able to devote. Now with the entire day to myself, I'm sure that I'll be able to do the maximum of it. So the next 2 months I'm counting on it.
Okay. So for those who have joined very recently, we'd like one feedback from all of you with respect to one thing, of whether you require revision classes or not. We do understand that these revision classes are very important, and we do intend to, जैसे जूरस जब खत्म हो जाएगा तो हम जूरस की 1-2 रिविजन क्लासेस रखेंगे जिसमें आपका पूरा जो सब्जेक्ट है उसे एक समरी फॉर्म में सर आपको कन्वे कर दें. बट फिर भी अगर आप उससे पहले एक रिविजन क्लास रखना चाहते हैं CPC के लिए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के लिए, या फिर इवन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जूरिस्प्रूडेंस, प्लीज लेट अस नो, फॉर स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द वंस हु हैव रिसेंटली जॉइंड. बट आप में से और लोग भी जो देना चाहते हैं वो भी बता.
Yes ma'am, that would be nice ma'am, if you take revision class of
Right.
especially for
We have it in mind, but we just have to see when we are going to implement it, like immediately or maybe after a certain number of classes. Until then, we want to give you this time that one thing for those who have recently joined, what you're supposed to do is, जो class है ना जिस दिन, let's say contracts है, your constitution है, I would just request you कि recorded lessons में से उस class का previous lesson एक बार देख लो, so that you follow up the topic. मोस्टली हम उसी क्लास के या फिर तो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस लेते हैं या फिर एक क्विक रिकैप कर देते हैं, बट स्टिल जस्ट सो दैट यू नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, उसका प्रीवियस लेक्चर डेफिनेटली देख लो. एंड उसके अलावा देन यू फॉलो द क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीरीज लाइक स्वागता इज मेंशनिंग, दैट यू डेफिनेटली grasp the first lecture of that lesson, because there you would be told how to map the Baer Act, and you follow the lesson right before the lesson that's going to happen. Like for instance, in constitution, we just covered amendment and we are going to start with emergency. So anyone who's going to, let's say who's first or second class this was, I would just request कि amendment वाला lesson देख लो ताकि आप वो linkages को connect कर सको. That is about it. उसके अलावा आप अपनी pace follow कर सकते हैं जिसमें आप बीच बीच में lessons को देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि मतलब अगर आप lesson में से for instance for CPC, if you're not able to follow something in the lesson, you have these pre-recorded videos जो कुछ नहीं करती हैं, they're very mechanical videos. Frankly, if you ask me, when someone asked me about a feedback on my own videos, I told them I could sleep across them. They were so boring. But then the point is, okay, I should not be saying this as an educator here, but the point is that these videos at least help you quickly revise through a concept. अगर मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि इन वीडियोस को देख के आपको सब कुछ समझ आ जाएगा, पर आपको इतना हो जाएगा कि आपको जो भी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं वो डेफिनेटली पता चल जाएंगी. और फिर अगर आपकी कोई डाउट रहती है उस कॉन्सेप्ट को लेकर तो आप उसे लाइव क्लास में इमीडिएटली रिजॉल्व करो. राइट? ओके.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask a question. That since writing plays a very important role, how should we go about it? Should we start preparing it simultaneously, or should we wait for us to complete the entire syllabus and then start practicing?
You should definitely start writing simultaneously. And like for instance, I had this word with Sukriti long back when the course had started, and she told me that she is quite experienced so far as taking the exam is concerned, but it so happens that in mains sometimes like a problem comes across, and when she wrote answers and when she submitted them to me is only when I realized that why that problem is coming. So writing consistently is extremely important, and that is why at this stage also I am encouraging you that even if you're not writing answers to questions, you still make handwritten notes, the least in the form of flashcards, that is your revision notes, because that will sort of put your hand towards like that will make sure that your hand is in tune with your mind when it comes to writing content. That is one element. ये चीजें आपके लिए कितनी भी mechanized हो जाए, that is one element you should definitely never compromise upon. Having said that, again, I asked Simran how prepared she is with respect to mains answer writing, daily mains answer writing. She is not as of now. Sukriti, I know, is. So that's why I did not ask that question from Sukriti. I'd like to ask you also that if a daily answer writing practice, we start with an assignment of that sort, would you be writing those answers?
If the topic is told to us and like we are given a sufficient time to prepare on that topic, and then we can write it, like it's not a problem.
So
And ma'am, also if we are provided with the model answers, like I'll have an idea as to how to structure or frame the answers. Like so,
Right.
will we be
That will be done. You will have evaluators who would be checking these answers for you. They'll be rating your answers on the basis of the same, and you would be given model answers as well. So that is a part of the plan already. Okay. Now moving forward, I have Pradyuman in my line. Yeah.
So, ma'am, today I studied one of your lectures, and basically it was how introduction to CPC. So, ma'am, I've started with CPC because, ma'am, jurisprudence does not come in RJS. So, I'm basically preparing for RJS. So, right now, I started with CPC, and I'll eventually come to contracts and constitution. So, as of now, I don't have anything to say. Okay. And eventually, when I'll study and if I find any problem, I'll convey it to you.
So you just have to tell us about one thing as to how soon do you want the revision class. Ideally, how we have spaced out the revisions classes is when we finish a major portion of the subject. So for instance, the moment jurisprudence is finished, which it is about to, Then we'll conduct a few classes on revision of jurisprudence.
Yes, ma'am. Once it is finished, ma'am, then you can
Next
conduct
topic.
them.
Right. And for jurisprudence friends, I'd like to tell you that a lot of you are not attending these classes. While I per se don't have any problem in it, but ये jurisprudence की जो classes हैं, ये सिर्फ इस चीज पे dependent नहीं है कि आपके exam में this is not a part of a syllabus and hence it is not important. You've seen that these classes are very, very interactive. They're going to prepare you a lot. They're going to sufficiently prepare you for your interview more than anything else. So take this as that exercise that you're preparing for your interview also simultaneously, and speak up as much as possible in these classes. One way or the other, they're going to be very helpful to you. And that also, having said that, I have a very simple philosophy: never put all your eggs in one basket. So never think that DJS is your only aim and you're just going to focus on cracking it and no other exam at all. You can be in a position where probably the vacancies of a state are not out. Then you might look at options for other states also. So while your priority should be cracking a particular exam, you should still take a look at the other exams so that practice wise you are on a good front. And in that sense, you should be attending all the live classes, according to me at least, that are taking place. हाँ, कुछ subjects ऐसे हैं जिसमें आपको लगे कि नहीं, there's no point of attending these classes, I would be wasting my time. I would not call any subject to be like that. But let's say, I don't know actually. I cannot rate any subject which I could say that you should not attend. But let's just assume कि Transfer of Property Act बहुत सारी states में नहीं आता है, तो you don't want to attend it. That's okay because it's one of those subjects जो contract से काफी मिलता जुलता है. तो आपको अगर contracts की basic jurisprudence समझ आ गई है, तो आप transfer of property को निकाल सकते हैं. मतलब you can choose not to attend it. But jurisprudence is not one of those subjects. Jurisprudence literally lays the foundation for all the other laws. And it's a very important topic so far as your interview is concerned. So in my recommendation, I would never say that you miss upon attending juris classes. Okay, next we have Kaveri here.
Ma'am, on the line that you said that we should not focus on one judiciary, like we cannot prepare for all the judiciary. So how many should we like aim for, like 2, 3, or like how many should we keep in mind?
Okay, you should definitely shortlist one. You should focus upon one. You should completely make sure that so far as the content of that judiciary is concerned, you are ready with your flashcards after attending live classes, taking cues from there, and after going through these notes and going through these exercises. Like I'll give you a hint so far as the assignments are also concerned. You know, there are times when there are a couple of those questions which are very easy in nature, but you'll always go wrong with them. It'll take you a lot of, I'll give you an example. When I was in 6th standard, I would never be able to learn that, not in 6th, probably in 5th. मुझे कभी ये याद नहीं होता था कि 6 8 48 होता है. मुझे इतनी बार वो चीज बार बार reiterate करे गई that in today's today, like not only do I remember the entire circumstance around it, but I और कुछ होना हो मुझे 6 8 48 अपनी नींद में भी याद आता है. तो आपकी जो preparation है उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, उस जुडिशरी के लिए जिसके लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वो बहुत ज्यादा फर्म होनी चाहिए. उसके बाद वंस यू आर थरो विद इट, then depending upon the circumstances, of course, like for instance, let's say you are preparing for HJS, Haryana Judiciary, but Haryana has declared that they're not going to come out with vacancies so far as this year is concerned. So at least just to make sure that you're maintaining a momentum, you appear for an alternate judiciary just to have that momentum in place. उसमें इतना होगा कि आपकी तैयारी एचजेएस की ही इतनी अच्छी होगी कि उसके बेसिस पर ही शायद आप किसी और जुडिशरी को क्रैक कर लो. But having said that, your focus should be one judiciary, but you should still be giving other judiciaries only because of the structure of these exams, which is that one, they are completely based on vacancies, and second, their results a lot of times are very uncertain. So it should not be that you're just waiting and you're just anticipating कि कब एक judiciary निकलेगी और मैं उसे crack करूंगी and I'll become a judge. That should not happen. In order to maintain your momentum, you should be giving other judiciaries, but that is about it. You should still focus on one only. That's and not more than that. Okay, let's move on to Kaveri now.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
So, ma'am, my target is to complete CPC and contract by end of July. So I'm making my notes as well because I'm the personality who always write and to understand the things. So verbally I cannot understand all the things. So my target is to prepare the notes simultaneously so that at the time of exams I can revise my own notes. And apart from this, I am also started reading newspaper on daily basis, Hindu newspaper, so that I can improve my general knowledge and or you can say the current affairs on day-to-day basis. But
Okay.
I understand that the we cannot complete CPC. It's a very vast subject in a 2 months, but my target is to complete maximum part by July end.
ओके एंड व्हाट
And
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जूरिस तो आप कह रहे हो आपकी जुडिशरी में शायद आता नहीं है तो जूरिस नहीं
Uh,
what
yes, but juris is, it's a basic subject which we need to understand in terms of law and judiciary exams. I know the percentage it's coming in the exam is very less, but I will spend 2 or 3 hours in a week, or probably in a weekends, in a jurisprudence. The material which is available in the LMS tool will consider only this. Otherwise, nothing will be, uh, to see all other notes apart from this LMS tool. So the class notes which are available in the LMS tool will consider juris for this only.
ओके बट माय क्वेश्चन वाज आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का टारगेट कितना है
Constitution will start with CPC once CPC will complete.
ओके पर लेट्स से कोई जुडिशरी की वैकेंसी आ जाती है फिर तो आपके 2 ही सब्जेक्ट्स कवर होंगे और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तो बहुत मेजर सब्जेक्ट है फिर आप क्या करोगे
Uh, yes, so once then I can think about it. Once my half CPC will be completed, then I'll start Consti, because Constitution and CPC both are very vast subjects. If I talk about three major subjects, the CPC, CRPC, and Constitution, these three are very vast subjects. So I cannot start together all these three subjects. So my target is to first CPC, then CRPC, and then Consti. So Consti, if I say I'll think about my schedule, and then we'll put it some time for Constitution as well.
Okay. So, but in that sense, are you attending the classes regularly for Constitution, and at least are you following what is happening in those classes? वहाँ से at least आपकी एक basic understanding तो बन रही है Constitution की?
Yes. So I'm attending all the classes, all 4 subjects. But yes, my focus is on CPC and contracts these days.
And let's say we start with a mock. We start with weekly. In weekly mocks, we intend to cover. So we intend to make state-wise mocks to begin with. There we'll have mocks on DJS pattern, RJS pattern, Punjab pattern, Haryana pattern. Initially, we intend to move state-wise क्योंकि आप देखोगे कि subject-wise assignments आपको पोर्टल पे मिल ही रही हैं. वो हम रोज के रोज ऐड कर रहे हैं. तो टॉपिक वाइज हमारा टारगेट ये है कि जो टॉपिक्स पहले चल रहे हैं हम उनके असाइनमेंट्स पे फोकस करें एंड देन वी मूव ऑन टू अदर टॉपिक्स एज वेल. तो ये टॉपिक वाइज असाइनमेंट्स आपको पोर्टल पे मिल ही रही हैं. जो मॉक्स होंगे दे वुड बी स्टेट सेंट्रिक, एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, इंग्लिश, जनरल नॉलेज, ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस, RJS pattern and all of that. So in that context, are you ready for a mock exercise to, let's say, start in the next 2 weeks?
As of now, I'm not. But yes, after 1 month, I can start it.
1 month. Okay. And what about daily answer writing practices?
Not sure about the daily, but yes, on alternate days, I can prepare it.
Okay.
I can spend some times to essay writings and all.
Okay. And I got a feedback that a lot of you have started reading newspapers, which is a great thing. We intend to host a session on how to read the newspaper for a competitive exam. But उससे पहले आप ये न्यू करंट अफेयर्स का मॉड्यूल देख रहे हो तो इसके अंदर आपको एक वीडियो तो मिल ही जाती है जो आपको पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट को समराइज करके दे देती है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज अ वीकली न्यूज लेटर दैट इज कमिंग इन दिस पोर्टल एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी अ क्विज on this. Yes, so there is a weekly current affairs assignment that is also going to be there. So if you do not wish to follow the daily news analysis because you're reading the newspaper otherwise also, that's perfectly okay. But make sure that you are inculcating the newsletter related news in your notes and you are taking these tests. क्योंकि करंट अफेयर्स एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है जिसपे आप वापस पीछे नहीं जा पाओगे. इसको आप जितनी कंसिस्टेंटली कवर करोगे उतना आपके एग्जाम के लिए बेटर रहेगा. सो जितने भी लोगों ने न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया है, वेरी गुड गाइज, बट मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग दीज 2 एक्सरसाइजेस साइमल्टेनियसली एज वेल. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव Jolly Mahima are a part of our team. I'm not asking them. They can reach out to me later also. Mahim. Next we have is Mahim.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mahim, how much have you covered from the LMS till now?
मैम मैं LMS से एग्जैक्टली मतलब वैसे नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. कुछ मेरे पास बुक्स हैं, मैं उन्हीं के शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाता हूँ और LMS के नोट्स.
माहिम, बहुत गलती कर रहे हो, मत करो.
मैम वो मेरे को मतलब LMS के जो नोट्स हैं मैं उनको देख लेता हूँ साइड बाय साइड. मतलब अभी तक ऐसे कर रहा हूँ.
ऐसे नहीं करना है. मैं अब तुम्हें अपनी स्टोरी सुना ही देती हूँ, तुम्हें जरूरत है ये सुनने की. So 2010 was the year. My father was also a civil servant. 2010 was a year when he was in Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy in Mussoorie for his mid-career training. And I happened to accompany him because I was having a vacation in my college at NLS. And I was so fascinated by that place. I used to attend classes with the best of the professors from across India and abroad come and take classes at that particular institution. I was so fascinated. I was like, if I want to become, if I have to receive the best institutionalized education while remaining in India, then there is no better place than this. You know, their library was so fascinating. Wahan par aap, you name a topic, you name a movie, and you will find it there. Like, there's a reason as to why civil servants are trained at that particular place. And from that time onwards only, I had this ambition fixed in my mind that this is the place I want to reach. That one of the reasons why I wanted to become a civil servant was exactly this, not serving the country and all of that. वो तो एक चीज चलो रहता ही है, side factor. Side नहीं, बहुत लोगों के लिए main factor रहता है serving the society. But for me, it was that if I want to grow academically while staying in India, if I want to have my personality so well built, this is the place where I will get everything on a platter. जैसे ये अब मैं LMS को LBS के साथ तो नहीं कंपेयर करूंगी, बट ये LMS पे आपको सब कुछ LBS की लाइब्रेरी की तरह और उनके प्रोफेसर्स और उनकी क्लासेस की तरह ही एक प्लेटर पे मिल रहा है. Then an internship. That internship was in JSA Bombay, my third year internship, where I even went to there's this company, Sri Krishna Finance. I even went and did a due diligence for them at the level of an intern. I even it was such a good internship that it could have easily been converted into a PPO. But then I realized that internship made me realize that I did not want to go towards the corporate law sector, and this is where my passion exactly lied. Now, when I started preparing for my civil services exam, that's where the biggest mistake I made. मैंने जब अपनी तैयारी शुरू की वो JSA के ऑफिस से ही की थी, and the first thing I did was मैंने civil services को Google पे टाइप किया और मुझे सिविल सर्विसेज के रिलेशन में जो कुछ भी मिल सकता था. यू टाइप UPSC ऑन गूगल, यू विल रियलाइज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. देयर इज अ Mrinal website, there is a Ramakrishna website, there's a GK Today, there are people who have written blogs, there's a Prince Dhawan blog, there's a Diju Bafna blog on it. You name it and I know it because मैंने सिर्फ इस रिसर्च पे कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को क्रैक कैसे करना होता है उस पे PhD कर ली थी. बट रिजल्ट आप देख रहे हो. लाइक आई एम सिटिंग इन द पोजीशन ऑफ एन academician right now. I do have the aim of going back to Labasna someday in the capacity of a professor, but not as a civil servant anymore. This is the reason. जो judiciary, जो competitive, and contrastingly, I had my spouse who was only reading the flashcards that we were creating. He would just read those notes 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, and that was all that was it to help him crack the exam. Seriously, if you don't believe me, he has an interview on YouTube with Chanakya has taken for him. His name is Apoor Devgan. You should look at that interview. He reiterates that I would just place myself in the library for 6 to 8 hours, and I would just read and reread one piece of content. This is the aim that we intend to achieve through this course. Mahim, you will become a brilliant academic, but if you want to become a judge, don't do that. You're making a big mistake.
Okay, मैम मतलब जो आपने समझाया मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है. बस एक चीज़ है मैम, जैसे कि जो अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ, एक्चुअली जो मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा, जैसे IPC की जो बुक है PSA पहले, तो उसके जो भी टॉपिक्स हैं वो मैंने कर के मतलब छाट के, और अगर मैं एक चैप्टर पढ़ रहा हूँ उसका, तो मैं उसके शॉर्ट हैंड नोट्स बनाता रहता हूँ. और साथ ही में जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं किसी टॉपिक से, उन क्वेश्चंस को एक जगह पे लेके उनके आंसर अपने मन से जो भी आंसर बनता है वो लिख के ना मैंने एक कॉपी में एक नोट्स टाइप बना लिया है. तो मैंने वो जो बुक है उसको समराइज कर लिया है क्वेश्चंस में. ओके.
और आपका जो कोर्स कंटेंट है उसके रिलेशन में आपका क्या स्टेटस है?
मैम जो LMS वाला है, मतलब वही जो जैसे मतलब मैं आपको बताया ना, मैं शायद वही वाला कर रहा हूँ मैं एक्चुअली। मुझे वापस थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा कि LMS में उतना फिर फोकस नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, बस उसको उठा के एक बार देखता हूँ कि हाँ जो है ना पढ़ा है उसमें से कुछ रह तो नहीं है।
आपको पता है ये IPC के नोट्स किसने बनाए हैं? द पर्सन हैज क्रैक्ड 2 जुडिशरीज एंड हैज कम इन टॉप 10 रैंक्स ऑलरेडी। ये उसने बनाए हैं। हमें लॉकडाउन का बहुत फायदा हुआ है इस कोर्स को लॉन्च करने में, इसलिए हमने ये कोर्स जल्दी लॉन्च किया है। तो आप सोचो, पिल्ले जो PSA पिल्ले हैं, ही इज एन एकेडमिक, ही इज अ प्रोफेसर, ही विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ इनसाइट्स. But trust me, I'm telling you about Constitution. I have read H.M. Sirvai also. I have read V.N. Shukla. I have read MP Jain. I've read all these 3 books. And that is the output that comes in those classes. उसका निचोड़ मैं आपको क्लास में देती हूँ. तो ये आपको पिल्ले का, रतनलाल, धीरज लाल का, ये सारी बुक्स का निचोड़ आपको इन नोट्स में मिल जाएगा. तो आप अगर आप अकेडमिशियन बनना चाहते हो, यू आर डूइंग अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब. और वो भी अकेडमिशियन बनने के लिए भी यू विल हैव टू क्रैक UGC NET, जिसके लिए अगेन आपको इन नोट्स से ज्यादा किसी भी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. So again, like before, reach Labasna and then take the maximum benefit of all the classes and all the material and all the academic leverage that they give you. उससे पहले अगर वो गलती करोगे जो मैंने की, I think the biggest mistake that I did so far as my UPSC preparation was that I should have never gone to Labasna. I got a taste of what the fruit is before actually having it, before actually like earning it. Right? So don't do that right now. You can always become a judge. You can always do a master's. You can always do a PhD beyond that. A lot of people do it. They often get into academics also after that. But so far as your judiciary preparation is concerned, you have at most 1 year with you. Just give your 1 year to this LMS and whatever we intend to propose, it is absolutely more than sufficient. I would request this to you again and again.
मैम मतलब इस टॉपिक पे मैं समझ रहा हूँ, जो आपने कहा मैं उस पे सोचूंगा और मैं वैसा कुछ करने की कोशिश करूंगा. तो मैं टेस्ट पे डिस्कस करते हैं क्या? अभी कर सकते हैं टेस्ट वाले इशू पे?
आप मुझे बताओ कि आप आंसर राइटिंग के लिए कितना प्रिपेयर्ड हो और MCQ के लिए कितना प्रिपेयर्ड?
मैम मतलब मैं दोनों के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ. उसके साथ मैम मुझे ये भी बोलना है कि जो अपन अभी इस क्वेश्चन से चल रहे हैं कि हम लोग आंसर राइटिंग या MCQ के लिए कितना प्रिपेयर्ड है, हम इस क्वेश्चन को रीथिंक कर सकते हैं हम. क्योंकि जैसे अभी मान लीजिए अपन लोग आंसर राइटिंग नहीं एज अ बैच नहीं कर रहे और टेस्ट नहीं सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो और अगर टेस्ट आ भी गया तो भी हम कोई ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होगा. अगर आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो तो आप उस टेस्ट पर नहीं लगा पाओगे. बट एटलीस्ट आपके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगा कि हाँ आप कर सकते हो. और इनकेस मान लो कि आपने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया, तो भी बाद में जिस दिन आपका प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा ना सिलेबस का, उस दिन आपको फिर सपोज करिए आपने कोई एक रैंडम टॉपिक पढ़ा और उस दिन आपके पास उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस होंगे पिन पॉइंटेड.
वो तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी है. You have these questions here. See?
हाँ मैम, वो मैं एक्सरसाइज मैंने देखा. बट अगर ये टेस्ट भी चलता रहेगा ना तो मतलब एक थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन रहता है कि हाँ अभी हफ्ते भर बाद टेस्ट है तो इस टॉपिक को और सीरियसली करना है.
But see, यही है, that's why I'm asking you for these confirmations. क्योंकि आपके जो मॉक्स हैं, as I've clarified you before, वो उन टॉपिक्स पे नहीं चलेंगे जो हम क्लासेस में कर रहे हैं. वो मॉक्स जो होंगे वो स्टेट वाइज पैटर्न पे चलेंगे. तो जैसे JS होगा, RJS होगा, MPJS होगा, HJS होगा, वो उस पैटर्न पे चलेगा. तो we want कि आप जब ये मॉक्स दिए जाएं आपको, आप एटलीस्ट इतना सफिशिएंटली प्रिपेयर्ड हैं कि आप एटलीस्ट मतलब आप अपनी प्रेपरेशन के लेवल को असेस कर पाए. फिर उसमें ये नहीं होगा कि हमने कोर्स में 4 सब्जेक्ट्स किए हैं तो 4 सब्जेक्ट्स पे ही क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. वो आप देख सकते हो, वो आपको असाइनमेंट्स में मिल रहे हैं टॉपिक वाइज. तो वो तो आप हर टॉपिक के बाद अपने आप को असेस कर सकते हो असाइनमेंट पोर्टल पे जाके उस पर्टिकुलर असाइनमेंट पे. But that's why I want to know your level of preparation launching mocks is concerned.
जी मैम, उसमें मतलब मेरा एक बेसिक सा आर्गुमेंट बस यही है कि अगर कुछ अब भले ही वो किसी भी स्टेट का पैटर्न हो, बट अगर अपन टेस्ट करते हैं अभी से और एक टाइम डिवाइड कर लेते हैं जिसमें अपन पूरे मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं उनके टेस्ट रन करेंगे एक साइकिल में, पहली साइकिल में.
नहीं तो हम मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स की नहीं कर रहे. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू.
अच्छा, आप कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट का टेस्ट करने का बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ, उसमें लोकल लॉज भी होंगी, उसमें लैंग्वेज भी होगा, उसमें जनरल नॉलेज भी होगा, उसमें सब होगा. क्योंकि ये जो आप कह रहे हो ना मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स वाला, ये हम ऑलरेडी LMS पे प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. जैसे CP में देखो असाइनमेंट्स आ गई हैं, ये देखो ओवरव्यू ऑफ द कोर्स एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू सीपीसी। ये जो असाइनमेंट्स हैं एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इसमें पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स भी हैं, इसमें बेयर एक्ट से क्वेश्चंस भी हैं, और इसमें उससे ज्यादा भी अगर आप सोच सकते हो कोई क्वेश्चंस होने चाहिए तो इसके अंदर वो भी ऑलरेडी हैं। तो ये तो आप ऑलरेडी अपने आप को उससे टेस्ट कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे आपको पता चल रहा है कि हर क्वेश्चन पे आपको एक +1 मिलेगा, और इन टेस्ट के अंदर नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। मॉक्स के अंदर वी हैव टू कंसिडर वी आर गोइंग टू कीप नेगेटिव मार्किंग और नॉट। तो ये देखो, ये तो आपको मिल रहा है लॉन्गेस्ट ऑर्डर कौन सा है सीपीसी का, यू सेव एंड यू नेक्स्ट, अमेंडमेंट कहाँ पर है, कौन अमेंड कर सकता है। ये देखो कितने तो क्वेश्चंस हैं, 12 क्वेश्चंस आपको सिर्फ ओवरव्यू पे मिल रहे हैं सीपीसी के, है ना?
Ma'am, I'd like to change my statement then. If it's going to be a full-fledged paper, I would rather be done with at least a little more than half or half the syllabus of every subject, or if not every, most of the subjects, and then do a mock. Because I think it'll be a waste of time for me if I'm not prepared.
Exactly, and that is
Yes, ma'am, it's the same for me because it'll just reduce my confidence if I'm not able to answer the questions.
yeah. So that is why this particular session was extremely important to assess as to how ready you guys are for the mocks. We are very much ready to launch them, but we don't want to be in a position where जहाँ पे हम आपको कंटेंट के साथ थोप रहे हैं, और we are not a coaching institution where 600 लोग आ रहे हैं और हम बोल रहे हैं कि 100 लोगों का क्लियर हो गया तो हमारा सक्सेस हो गया है, और हम आपके पोस्टर्स हर जगह छाप रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, हम फीडबैक वीडियोस वगैरह सब करते हैं, but that is not absolutely our aim. We need to see that the content that has been given to you, whether you are absorbing it or not, and only then we move on to the Facebook.
मैम इसमें एक चीज और है मैम, मतलब एक एग्जांपल है, जैसे जो यूपीएससी वाले जिस तरीके से अपने मॉक करते हैं, तो उसमें वो एक सब्जेक्ट को ब्रेकअप करते हैं पार्ट्स में, जैसे कि इनसाइट्स है, मतलब आपने प्रिपरेशन किया, हम ज्यादा बेटर जानते हैं बस जो। तो मैम अगर वो जो तरीका है, मतलब उसमें ना साल भर हर हफ्ते मॉक चलते रहते हैं, तो मैम अगर
तो वही है ना, देखो जब इनसाइट्स की जो डेली आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस है, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू हियर, कि वो चीज हमने ऑलरेडी एलएमएस में इनकलकेट कर दी है। डेली आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस है, वो आप ये टेस्ट दोगे, आपको टेस्ट के एंड में आपका स्कोर मिलेगा, आपको ये पता चलेगा कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस में आप गलत गए, और आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि आप क्यों गलत गए उन क्वेश्चंस में। So Mahim, I would like to take your opinion again on this. Once you start using the LMS, once you majorly inculcate LMS in your preparation.
Okay.
Okay, let's move forward with Ankur now.
Yes, ma'am. Hi. So, can you hear me? Because my
Yes.
connection has not been very stable these days.
Thankfully, in this session, it is. Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, actually, I've been very guilty. I'm very guilty, feeling guilty, and I'm feeling very bad right now to say this. But I have not been using LMS till now. I've just been attending the lectures. But I do intend to do it from tomorrow, because this session was especially a very, it was a very booster, and it was a wake-up call. So,
right.
Yeah, so I intend to do it from tomorrow. And the way I want to do it is that whatever classes are being held, I want to read those topics or whatever has been taught in the online lectures and revise them on a weekly basis maybe, and then further to just read up what is to be taught the next day.
Okay.
So this is the strategy.
That is very much required. Ankur, you had this fancy interview call when you enrolled into this course, where you were told that this is a very important component of this preparation strategy, right? We are not emphasizing upon. So I have been doing this. I have been researching upon various teaching methodologies for the past few days out of interest purely. And I was seeing, and I was going through all these live YouTube videos which various coaching institutions are providing. I realized that the people who claim that they are very good with it, the only thing they do is one thing that we are not doing right now, and I don't even intend to do it in these classes, is that they would reiterate the same thing again and again so that it etches in the mind of the person. Now, when it is a very good strategy in terms of कि आपने जो पढ़ा है वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आ जाएगा, it's a very inefficient way of going about concepts. It really slows down your process of preparation. That essentially means कि maybe 6 महीने में हम सिर्फ CPC करेंगे या सिर्फ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. अगर आपका एग्जाम उसके बीच में आ जाता है तो ओनस बाकी सब सब्जेक्ट्स को करने का पूरी तरह से आपके ऊपर होगा. So then as a facilitator, how are we contributing anything in your preparation apart from just giving you a very long discourse on a particular subject where we are just reiterating one concept again and again? तो उसी को हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है इस LMS के अंदर कि आपको नोट्स मिल गए हैं, आपको असाइनमेंट्स मिल गई हैं, आपको कई सब्जेक्ट्स में प्री रिकॉर्डेड लेसन्स भी मिल रहे हैं, और फिर उसके बाद ये लाइव क्लासेस हो रही हैं. तो सी दिस LMS इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर 50% we only give 50% importance to the live classes, the rest of the onus of you cracking the exam is not your self preparation, it is this LMS. As I told you before also, there are 10 people just working on sending content on this portal almost on a daily basis. So it's upon you now as to how you make the best use of it. Okay, so and Ankur, what is your level of preparation with respect to mocks and daily answer writing?
Ma'am, with respect to overall mocks, like you said, I'm not ready. So
Okay.
it will be better if it is being done after a month or so, maybe.
Okay. Pradyuman is asking me about class recordings. Pradyuman, ये end में आप देखोगे recorded sessions हैं. यहाँ पर आपको सारी class recordings मिल जाएंगी. Okay. After that, we move forward with Priyanshi.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
So, ma'am, what I do is I start my day with going through the current affairs section, and I read the news analysis, as I do not read the newspaper right now. So I go
Okay.
through the news analysis, and after that, right now, earlier what I was doing is I was going through the introductions of all 4 subjects, like initial sessions where you taught us how to map CPC and other subjects. So after I got done with the introductions and initials 2-3 sessions, what I did was I started doing the sections I have missed. Like, for example, I have missed some starting sections like 1 to 8, those sessions. So simultaneously I'm going through the previous recordings also of those sections, and I'm attending the evening lectures also. So that's what I'm doing, and going through the LMS. Well, after I get done with the session, I go through the LMS of that particular topic and I read it. Like, I just give it a glance, and whatever I can understand, like after the recording, I can very well understand what's written in it. So that's what I'm doing.
Perfect. So this needs to be done. You have a good amount of time with you as of now because you're still studying in college. But this is a very good strategy that you're following. Just make sure that you're keeping the momentum itself. What about the mocks and daily answer writing? Do you want to inculcate in your preparation right now, or you want some time?
Actually, regarding that, I want it. I'm not ready right now. Actually, I think it will be much convenient to me after a month or so.
Okay. Okay. Good. Makes sense. Okay. Next is Shubham. Shubham?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So currently I am reading LMS material. I'm watching the regular news update on the LMS, and simultaneously I'm doing the legal maxims wala part, which is at the end. So ma'am, I have one issue is that I'm not able to give more time to LMS. Like I pre-read what will be taught today in the class. So I just pre-read that and I watch some basic informative videos. So the problem is with, since the past sessions are of like around 2 hours, right? So like it becomes difficult to complete the whole lecture in one sitting because of my some pending work regarding my assignments of different course of college.
Okay.
So I'm finding it difficult to like manage all the things at once. So I'm a bit on the back foot regarding the studying.
Okay. Since you are still in college right now, my only recommendation is कि जो भी live classes में हो रहा है, क्योंकि almost सब major subjects हम live classes में लेंगे, और जो भी minor होंगे जो हम नहीं cover कर पाते हैं एक साल की series के अंदर, वो हम definitely pre-recorded content में दे देंगे. जैसे static GK आपको दे दिया गया है, English आपको दे दिया गया है. So I would just say that जो भी class में हो रहा है उसको follow करते जाओ, and just make sure that you're reading it. Just like Priyanshi also mentioned, just follow Priyanshi's strategy here. That whatever is being covered in class, just make sure that you're tracking that from LMS. For you, as of now, that is sufficient. But of course, once you are in a position where you are giving the exam in the year of your preparation, then your strategy should be entirely different. But अभी के लिए बस इतना कर लो कि जो classes में हो रहा है उसको आप track करते जा रहे हो LMS के content के साथ साथ. That should be it for the time being.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sure. And regarding mocks and daily answers, I'm not ready for mocks and even daily answers.
Okay. Priyanshi has something to say here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, ma'am, I just wanted to ask you one question. Since MP Judiciary have this separate paper of judgment writing, so will it be provided on the LMS later on?
You have seen in your LMS there's already a course on judgment writing. नहीं देखा आपने? आपको access judgment writing?
No, ma'am. Actually, I enrolled for it earlier. Yeah. So I thought it's in my LMS only.
No, it's in everyone's LMS. It's there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have one more question. So regarding the other courses that are offered of the LMS, so like should we do it simultaneously or after some time?
They are backup courses. They are meant for just in case it so happens that you are digressed from your judiciary preparation, then what do you do? इससे ज़्यादा उन courses का कोई role नहीं है. अगर आपके पास इतनी capacity है, इतना time है, इतना आप अपने focus को manage कर सकते हो कि आप ये extra courses को करना चाहते हो, you want to know about it, just like Mahim has a capacity of reading a lot, then you should be referring to these courses. So far as your judiciary preparation is concerned, this is the course that you have to focus upon. So that is like Muskan has been taking a couple of these courses otherwise also. While we encourage it, if you have that sort of capacity to know more and learn more, because it is going to give you practical insights on a lot of things. But so far as your aim of becoming a judge is concerned, those courses apart from judgment writing are not very relevant. So I would request you कि अगर आपके पास limited time है तो आप सिर्फ इस कोर्स पे फोकस करें, क्योंकि इस कोर्स में भी ऑलरेडी बहुत कंटेंट है जो कवर करने वाला है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Now moving forward with Juhi. Juhi?
Hi, yes ma'am. मैम मैं भी अभी जो भी मेरी लाइव क्लासेस होती हैं उनके रिकॉर्डिंग्स के पहले सारी रिकॉर्डिंग्स देखती हूँ, उसके बाद अपने खुद के नोट्स बनाती हूँ और उसके बाद जो भी LMS में नोट्स हैं मैं उनके साथ उन्हें जो भी उससे मुझे एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है मैं उसको नोट कर लेती हूँ. और मैम जहाँ तक कि मॉक्स का एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस का मैम है कि मैम क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है कि हमें कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है और भी कई लॉस से, तो जब तक हम और लॉस से बिल्कुल थॉरो नहीं होता है तो फिर आई थिंक कि डिफिकल्ट होगा.
ओके, मेनली वो लॉज जिनके साथ आपको कनेक्ट करना होता है वो होती है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और जूरिस्प्रूडेंस. तो जब तक आपका वो बेस ठीक बन रहा है तब तक वी आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. बट ओके, आई थिंक एक लार्ज ओवरव्यू जो मुझे मिल रहा है दैट इज दिस ओनली, दैट वी शुड एटलीस्ट गिव these two exercises a period of 1 more month. We should extend it to that so that at least all of you are comfortable with using the LMS first more than anything else. Okay, next we have Ishu. One second, Priyanshi, I'll just take your words, but I'll just listen now to Ishu first.
Mom, मैं अभी occupied था internships में past 2 months और as I'm being engaged somewhere also in the I'm helping them in the initiative. So but what I'm doing actually that I just read the content on the LMS. I'm reading all the things which is there in LMS. So I'm giving a lot of time in reading. I'm not making the notes, but I'm reading all the things and I'm good with the constitution right now and also with the jurisprudence. So I can if you started the mock from tomorrow also I'll be ready and I will be happy to write those mocks. It's not an issue for me. That's all I'm right now.
Okay, but the only thing there is that again, one thing is when I say that you've realized that okay, not in paper analysis but हमारा जितना भी बाकी content है, जितने भी यहाँ पे टीम के लोग हैं वो रियलाइज करते हैं कि वो 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस से निकलता है. इसका एक बहुत ही बेसिक आइडियोलॉजी है कि आप कुछ भी चीज को कर रहे हैं, पढ़ भी रहे हैं, तो वो आपको कम से कम 3 बार पढ़नी चाहिए. वंस यू रीड इट लाइक अ नॉवल, you read it as a free reading. You are not supposed to assimilate or learn anything on it. There, ये जितने भी हमने अपनी तरफ से scientific notions डाले हैं इस कोर्स में, color coordination, flow chart and all, they will help your mind in creating a basic memory of it. बट अगर आप उसे पहली बार ही सिर्फ एक नॉवल की तरह पढ़ेंगे, you will soon start feeling acquainted with the idea of reading, which I think issue you are doing currently, which is a very good thing. But make sure that you always back up this one reading with at least two more readings. Till the time you are not doing that, आपका जो बहुत ही पिन पॉइंटेड आंसर जब आपको देना होता है किसी भी एग्जाम में, स्पेसिफिकली इन प्रीलिम्स, तो आप मेंस में बहुत अच्छा करोगे, बट प्रीलिम्स में आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है जब तक आपको स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन याद नहीं है. So make sure that you are reading each content, you're reading it thrice, once like a novel, second time just from the point of view of understanding it, and third time from the point of view of making your flash notes, which is your very basic summarized notes. And of course, the moment you make your flash notes, it has to be backed up by you performing the assignment on that particular topic to be able to assess upon the same. So these things you have to do, but thanks for your feedback. At least we have one person definitely there. Mahim is there and Ishu are there, who are definitely ready with the mocks as of now. Okay. So Kriti we have considered. Next is Soumya.
Ma'am, I'm preparing short notes for the ongoing classes simultaneously, which includes just the basics. For example, the essentials of a section and case laws.
Okay.
And I am reading the LMS, but only for the ongoing classes and not anything else. And I'm giving more time to CPC, reason being that I'm studying it for the very first time, so it takes a lot more time.
Okay.
And the tests, I have recently started doing jurisprudence tests.
Okay. And what is your take on mocks and daily answer writing?
Ma'am, I'm not ready for the mocks because I already have too much on my plate right now.
Okay.
And talking about daily answer writings, I agree with what Swagata said, that if we are told about the topic beforehand and we can prepare and then write, then I think I'll be able to do it.
Right. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Priyanshi had something to say?
No, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt again. I'll ask at the end.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay. Next we have Monica.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hanji. So, ma'am, I really needed this class, and I'd like to talk about certain things which are causing problems for me and the things that I am good at. What happens is I tend to complicate things every time. So, like if a material is provided on LMS, so I, instead of getting to that material directly, vouch to it through a very indirect process. So I do what Mahim does. So I already made my notes, like in college, I am in 4th year. So I have my notes back in hostel. I didn't know the lockdown would last. I had notes prepared earlier as well. And I also have this tendency of reading commentaries and then jotting down points. So this again takes a lot of time. And as you also said, this is in your UPSC preparation, which is not advisable to a large extent. And secondly, ma'am, I tend to take up 2 tasks at the same time. So like, abhi, since I need to
Monica, your voice has disappeared. Monica, you need to type out the last bit that you're mentioning. Your voice has gone. Okay. Monica seems to have logged out also. We'll have Muskan next. And finally, Hirdesh. Last we have Hirdesh. Hirdesh is here. Hirdesh, you have also recently joined. What is the strategy you're following with respect to the LMS and the classes?
मैम मैं डेली बेसिस पर लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहा हूँ और रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो मैंने देखना स्टार्ट किया था, पर मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था चारों सब्जेक्ट में. तो फिर अभी मैं ज्यूरिस पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहा हूँ स्टार्टिंग से. और एलएमएस का जो मटेरियल है वो मैं क्लास से पहले भी एक बार देखता हूँ और क्लास के बाद जब नोट्स बनाता हूँ तो फिर भी देखता हूँ.
परफेक्ट, गुड.
और टेस्ट के लिए तो मैं अभी प्रिपेयर नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल भी.
ओके, तो मतलब हमारा पूरी क्लास का एक जनरल कंसेंसस है इस पे that we are at least going to give 1 month to test and daily answer writing practices. At least 1 month, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, great. So, okay guys, so let's have this reassessment again after 1 month where we see in what position we are. Until then, now you've got a brief idea about your LMS. कहीं भी अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि किसी नोट को इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है या फिर उसके अंदर कुछ कंटेंट ऐसा है जो जुडिशरी एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से होना चाहिए था पर नहीं है, यू कैन ऑलवेज गिव इट, यू कैन ऑलवेज टेल दिस टू अस, यू कैन कन्वे इट टू अस. हमारी तरफ से we have given 100%, but still there is always a chance of improvement, and that is why we always keep in a 3-monthly update towards all LawSeco courses, not just this course. So we are welcome with respect to your feedback in that respect. Regarding printed notes, please sign up on the WhatsApp group immediately after this session. We'll give you the exact cost which would be required for these printed notes, and preferably we'll try to give you a timeline by which these printed notes will reach you as soon as possible. But we are in the process, like we are on board so far as printing and sending you content is concerned. And lastly, again, the same is, don't think that just the live classes, I think Kaveri is saying something. I'll just take your word, Kaveri, after this. Just the last thing, don't think that your preparation is only the live classes. Live classes में आपको notes नहीं dictate किए जा रहे हैं. Live classes में आपको एक चीज को 10 बार नहीं बोला जा रहा है. There's a reason behind it, क्योंकि वो सारी चीजें आपको यहाँ पर दे दी गई हैं. So please make the best use of the money that you have given for these courses. These notes are not supplementary notes जो मार्केट में बिकते हैं, वो प्रिंटेड नोट्स. आप मुखर्जी नगर गए हैं और राजेंद्र नगर गए हैं, so you know what I'm talking about. These are not those notes. These are those handwritten notes which an educator would ideally dictate you in a class. So please stick to these notes as much as you can before you move on to any other source. Yes, Kaveri?
Ma'am, would it be possible to prepare a CPC section-wise index? How to read section read with orders?
वो देखो ना, आपका ओवरव्यू का सेशन में ही है ये. Just look at your overview lesson on CPC. I'll show you. It's there. CPC को पूरा एक कोर्ट केस के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कैसे पढ़ना होता है उस नोट में है. I'll just open it. Wait. ये देखो, यहाँ पे आपको किस चीज के साथ क्या पढ़ना है सब एक फ्लो चार्ट फॉर्म में दिया गया है. और इसके ऊपर तो 2 क्लासेस हो चुकी है, एक नहीं हुई है. तारिक सर also took the same topic and then Abhijay sir also took the same topic.
Okay, I think I missed this classes because I enrolled after this.
Oh, yes, हाँ, that I do it now. इसके ऊपर 3 रिकॉर्डिंग्स आपको मिलेंगी. एक मेरा प्री रिकॉर्डेड कंटेंट है जिसमें आपको टाइमलाइन वाइज मिलेगा आपको कौन से ऑर्डर को कौन से सेक्शन के साथ पढ़ना है, एंड वाइस वर्सा. ये देखो CPC चार्ट बना हुआ है. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, which order has to be read with which rule. All of this is mentioned here. See?
Okay. I'll look into this. Yeah. Thank you.
You have 3 recordings for these. One is the overview, the pre-recorded lesson that I created. One is this note, and 2 are Tariq sir's and Abhijay sir's classes. If I have to particularly recommend you one, I would say listen to Tariq sir's second lecture and then go through this note. That will be the most helpful.
Okay.
एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना था.
हाँ जी, बताओ.
मैम, जैसे मुझे अपने आंसर राइटिंग पे कोई कॉन्फिडेंस है नहीं ज्यादा, आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स पे, और जुडिशरी में आंसर राइटिंग की जो मॉडल किताबें आती हैं मैंने देखी हैं, बट वो काफी मतलब जिसमें ऑलरेडी मॉडल आंसर्स होते हैं वो मुझे इतनी सेटिस्फैक्टरी लगी
नहीं है. वो सेटिस्फैक्टरी नहीं है. इवन एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इवन आई वाज गोइंग टू पब्लिश अ बुक लाइक दैट, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, लोग उसे कॉपी पेस्ट ही करते हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसेस, सो आई नो व्हाट इट इज. सो वो सेटिस्फैक्टरी नहीं है. इसलिए मैम, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लेट्स मूव स्टेप बाय स्टेप. पहले नोट्स के ऊपर एक ग्रिप बनाओ, क्लासेस के ऊपर एक ग्रिप बनाओ, बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद इट. नाउ अ लॉट ऑफ अस आर इन कंसेंसस कि 1 महीने बाद हम इसके ऊपर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद दिस प्रोसेस, है ना. तो उसमें जब आप डेली आंसर राइटिंग लिख कर दोगे हमें, वी हैव इवैल्यूएटर्स, वी हैव इट फॉर ऑल आवर कोर्सेज, नॉट जस्ट दिस कोर्स. तो वो आपको चेक करके बताएंगे और आपको एक मॉडल आंसर भी देंगे कि किस बेसिस पे उन्होंने आपका ये आंसर जज किया.
तो उन बुक्स को फॉलो करना सही नहीं रहेगा?
किसी भी बुक को फॉलो करना सही नहीं है. जब आपके LMS पे सब कुछ है तो आपको एक भी एक्स्ट्रा बुक फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
उसमें एक चीज और कर सकते हैं क्या, जैसे कि अपनी जो रेगुलर क्लासेस होती हैं रोज जिन टॉपिक्स पे, तो सपोज स्टेट हो गया, स्टेट वाला टॉपिक हो गया कि व्हाट इज स्टेट, तो उससे जुड़े 1-2 क्वेश्चन लेके अगर आप मॉडल आंसर्स प्रोवाइड कर दें तो फिर उससे हमें आइडिया जाएगी कि उससे सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस अगर आए तो आंसर कैसे लिखना है पैटर्न.
ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू फास्टन द प्रोसेस वी कैन डू दैट. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि
टेस्ट, सॉरी मैम, एक बार मैं आपको क्लियर करना चाहूंगा, मतलब टेस्ट नहीं, बस
हाँ,
जो
I got it.
क्वेश्चन
Just a
बन रहा
model
है
answer that you would like to have.
जी
ठीक है, we could work around things like that because हमारी repository में the content is already created. We could think of a way around it. है ना? We can discuss it otherwise. Okay, we have 2 more participants. What would you like to say? I can't see. Hirdesh has raised his hand. Yes, Hirdesh, please go ahead.
मैम आपने कहा कि प्रिंटेड नोट्स अभी प्रोवाइड करा देंगे, पर आपने कहा था कि LMS पे जो मटेरियल है वो अपडेट होता रहता है।
हाँ,
एक
तो
बार
अपडेटेड तो आपको मिलेंगे नहीं प्रिंटेड नोट्स। 3 महीने बाद अपडेट होगा, आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन चला जाएगा कि ये नोट यहाँ से ऐसे अपडेट हुआ है। जरूरी नहीं है कि सब नोट्स को अपडेशन की जरूरत भी पड़े, क्योंकि हमारी तरफ से हमने अपने पहले नोट्स ही बहुत अच्छे बनाए हैं। I'll give you an example here. जैसे there's another parallel course of bar hacker that has been launched very recently. Again, initially LawSeco had launched it a couple of years back, but bar hacker की पैटर्न में जैसे इस साल काफी चेंजेस आए हैं। तो बार एक ऐसा कोर्स है जिसके नोट्स में अपडेशन की जरूरत है। या फिर जैसे एक आर्बिट्रेशन पे कोर्स आपने देखा है, आपकी ये जो बंच ऑफ कोर्सेज दिए गए हैं इसी में है। तो अब आर्बिट्रेशन लॉ में अमेंडमेंट हुई है ना, तो उसमें फिर उन नोट्स में अपग्रेडेशन की जरूरत है। जुडिशरी में सब नोट्स में अपग्रेडेशन की जरूरत पड़ती नहीं है अनलेस कोई बहुत स्पेसिफिक अमेंडमेंट आए या फिर बहुत स्पेसिफिक ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स हैं या जिसने उसे ड्राफ्ट किया है उसने ठीक से नहीं किया है। तो जुडिशरी में बहुत कम ऐसे नोट्स होंगे जिनको आइडियली अपडेशन की एज सच जरूरत पड़ेगी। हैविंग सेड दैट, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि हर 3 महीने बाद हम इन नोट्स को एक और रिव्यू प्रोसेस से निकालते हैं, एक इंटरनल रिव्यू प्रोसेस से निकालते हैं, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि कुछ भी मिसिंग है या कुछ भी एडेड नहीं है तो वो डाल दिया जाए। तो आपको जो, एंड दिस अप्लाइज टू ऑल कोर्सेज यूनिफॉर्मली, तो आपको ये नोट्स तो मिलते हैं बट देयर इज अ डिस्क्लेमर विद इट कि ये अपडेटेड नहीं है, और अपडेशन जो है जब वो होगी तो आपको नोटिफाई कर दिया जाएगा। तो वो तो होता ही है, दैट्स देयर विद एवरी कोर्स, दैट्स नॉट जस्ट देयर विद दिस कोर्स। Okay, last hand was raised. Please go ahead with the person who raised it.
I have 2 questions. I raised my hand. So one, like I said, I was making notes with the videos and then adding my notes. So should I make notes for one subject in one go and then move on to another one, or should I go simultaneously about it?
Ideally, you should go with at least the 4 subjects that are being undertaken in class. You should go with them simultaneously. Just like Sukriti gave us a very good timetable where she said that she's divided her day into these 4 subjects, where she is taking into account the LMS, the assignments, and the classes simultaneously, right? So ideally ये जो 4 subjects चल रहे हैं यही पेस पे कोर्स में बाकी subjects भी चलेंगे, और एट अ टाइम वी विल ट्राई कि हम एटलीस्ट 4 सब्जेक्ट्स को लेकर चल रहे हैं। सो दैट शुड बी योर आइडियल वे ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑल्सो, कि एट अ टाइम आप एटलीस्ट 4 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहे हो। इसमें से भी आई हैव क्लैरिफाइड टू मोस्ट ऑफ यू इंडिविजुअली अदरवाइज अंटिल नाउ दैट 2 कोर्सेज ऐसे हैं जिनकी पेस हमने पर्टिकुलरली स्लो रखी हुई है, दैट इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एंड 2 कोर्सेज हैं जिनकी पेस काफी तेज चल रही है, जिसमें से जूरिस ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला है। तो दैट इज जूरिस एंड CPC। सो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आई वुड सजेस्ट कि जस्ट keeping yourself abreast with the pace of the classes only is more than sufficient, but you still take all these 4 courses, क्योंकि एक बार जब ये हो गए, it's going to take an effort on your part to go to the class recordings and listen to them and then create your notes. That's not very advisable, though हमने आपको दे तो दिया है वो, बट आप देखो आपके दिन में 24 घंटे ही होते हैं, आप कोशिश भी करोगे तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा। और इसीलिए ये क्लास बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी थी ये असेस करने के लिए कि जो इतना कंटेंट आपको दे दिया गया है कहीं वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड तो नहीं हो रहा है, एंड क्लियरली वो काफी हद तक हो रहा है। तो वी नीड टू लाइक पेस इट डाउन फॉर सम टाइम बिफोर लाइक वी सॉर्ट ऑफ थ्रो मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन एट यू इन अ वे।
Ma'am, the second question is, Constitution does not come in the mains papers for like a lot of states. Like for example, Delhi and Haryana does not have Constitution as a mains paper. So I should just stick to LMS in class and that is it, right? Because
yeah, that's more than sufficient. Otherwise also you're not supposed to, even if it comes for a state, it's coming in their exams, they are also only supposed to stick to the LMS. I've told you that the people who have created these notes, they have cracked some form of judiciaries, or they have very good credentials while creating these courses. On top of that, they have been given a methodology to follow in creating and drafting these courses. On top of that, there's a review process that takes place on a continuous basis. तो इतने checks के बाद मुझे नहीं लगता आपको जरूरत भी होनी चाहिए इससे आगे जाने की।
No, as in the LMS also, all the case laws have, summaries and all. So like, but from a preliminary exam point of view, even that much of depth, obviously I'll do it once, but in the long run, like
You're supposed to do it once and then you're supposed to check it with the simultaneous assignment that has been provided. So if you're performing well on the assignment, well enough, you stop the topic and move ahead. But if you're not, that means you need to revisit.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Right. Okay, I'll take the last question from Priyanshi. We have had a very prolonged session. I'm sure all of you are hungry. So Priyanshi, last question and then we'll conclude the class.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, ma'am, I do not have any question. I just wanted to bring into one thing into your notice. Maybe you should already know about it. Yeah, since I was the student of judgment writing course, which when it came, I was the student of it. So I knew what's in it. So each and every topic of it, and I attended the recordings of it. So, ma'am, in it was given like how to draft a plaint, bales, everything, what to write, how to write. But, ma'am, one thing is missing in it is how to write a judgment. Like we had just one session where ma'am taught us how to, roughly write a judgment writing. But in the course, we do not have a, models of judgment writings. I asked Harsh sir also. Sir said he will provide soon, but I think he got busy or something. So I want you to, if you could do something about it.
No issues. That's a very important feedback. Thank you. And we'll try to inculcate this in the course as soon as possible. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, thank you for a very valuable session. I think it was very much relevant. Please get down to reading on your LMS and start tracking it. Ideally, अपने computers में ही एक Excel sheet बना लो जहाँ पे जो आप पढ़ते जा रहे हो आप उसे मार्क करते जा रहे हो एंड देन उसके साइमल्टेनियसली फर्स्ट रिवीजन, सेकंड रिवीजन, थर्ड रिवीजन के 3 कॉलम्स बना लो और लास्ट कॉलम फ्लैश कार्ड का बना लो ताकि आप अपने कंटेंट को कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्रैक कर रहे हो कि आपने कितना पढ़ा है, कितना पढ़ा है, कितना अब्जॉर्ब किया है, कितना रिवाइज किया है और कितने ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिनके लिए आपके पास नोट्स रेडी हैं. ये एक्सरसाइज कोर सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सीपीसी, सीआरपीसी, एविडेंस, आईपीसी, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, इनके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये एक्सरसाइज में भी छोटी लॉज या एंसिलरी लॉज के लिए इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट अभी आपके एलएमएस पे कोर सब्जेक्ट्स ही हैं. सो दिस इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू रियली फोकस एंड गेट डाउन टू योर प्रिपरेशन इफ यू आर वेरी वेरी सीरियस अबाउट बिकमिंग अ जज. Right? बाकी चीजें बाद में they can be taken care of. So we are going to have a similar exercise probably after a month. And after that, hopefully, all of us would be in a position where we'll be taking the mocks and the daily answer writing practices. Until then, if anyone wishes to write answers on particular questions and get them checked, I will try my level best to get it checked and get back to you. Having said that, I know बीच में सुकृति और शायद माहिम के 2 answers आए थे जो मैंने revert नहीं किए थे. But still, since it is at an individual level, I will try my best to get back to you on this, right?
You have to check my answer also.
Yes, I haven't. Yes, that has also not happened. Ideally, actually, we have evaluators for this. So I am not able to schedule it timely, but I will do it. Like, I remember that this needs to be done and hopefully it will be done as soon as possible. That's one. And second is, all of you are free to reach me out personally also. If you have specific questions, all you have to do is send in a WhatsApp message. On that note, let's stop this class here, but let's get down to studying our LMSs. They are as important as your live classes. So make sure you're not compromising on it. Right? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.